Today I am reviewing the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 5.5 Cup Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is a premium, professional-grade kitchen appliance that takes the guesswork out of cooking rice. It is designed for anyone who wants perfectly cooked rice every single time, whether it's fluffy white rice, hearty brown rice, delicate sushi rice, or even porridge. This versatile rice cooker is perfect for small families, couples, or anyone who loves consistently delicious rice without the hassle. One of the most impressive features of the NS-ZCC10 is its advanced Neuro Fuzzy logic technology. Unlike standard rice cookers that use a fixed heating pattern, this smart technology allows the rice cooker to monitor and adjust cooking times and temperatures automatically. Essentially, it thinks for itself, adjusting as it cooks to ensure that each grain of rice is perfectly tender and evenly cooked. This feature alone makes it ideal for beginners who are still learning rice cooking techniques, as well as experienced home cooks who want reliable results every time. The 5.5 cup capacity is just right for preparing meals for small families, yet it's compact enough to fit easily on any kitchen counter. The rice cooker includes multi-menu selections to meet a wide range of cooking needs. You can choose from settings like white rice, regular or sushi, soft or firm, mixed rice, porridge, sweet rice, semi-brown rice, rinse-free, and quick cook options. This versatility means that you're not limited to basic white rice. You can explore new grains, healthier options, and even specialty dishes right at home. Beyond cooking, the NS-ZCC10 offers automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, and reheat cycles, so your rice stays at the ideal temperature for hours. Imagine being able to cook your rice in the morning or while you're busy preparing other dishes and having it ready and warm when you're ready to serve. This feature is especially useful for families with different schedules or for anyone who wants a stress-free cooking experience. The spherical, non-stick inner pan is another highlight. Its shape ensures uniform heating, so you won't end up with undercooked or overcooked portions. The non-stick coating also makes serving and cleaning incredibly easy, and the rice releases effortlessly from the pan. Combined with the LCD clock and timer, you can even schedule cooking in advance, giving you control over when your meal is ready without needing to monitor it constantly. Zojirushi includes 2 measuring cups, a non-stick rice spoon with holder, and a set of recipes with the NS-ZCC10. These small but thoughtful accessories make it easy to measure rice accurately, serve it cleanly, and experiment with new dishes. For example, you could try making sweet rice desserts or quick porridge breakfasts, or even experiment with sushi rice using the included sushi setting. Just remember, for best results, always use the measuring cup included with the rice cooker. In terms of design, the NS-ZCC10 is compact yet elegant, measuring approximately 14 by 8 by 9 inches. Its premium white finish gives it a sleek, modern look that fits well on any kitchen counter. For added convenience, it's even wall-mountable, helping to save counter space in smaller kitchens. The retractable cord keeps things tidy, and the unit's lightweight design makes it easy to move or store if needed. Durability and reliability are also key features. The rice cooker comes with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. Zojirushi is known for long-lasting, high-quality appliances, and the NS-ZCC10 is no exception. It's built to deliver consistent performance day after day, year after year, making it a solid investment for anyone serious about home cooking. In addition to standard rice cooking, the NS-ZCC10 is great for experimenting with different grains and recipes. From semi-brown rice for a healthier meal to quick cooking options when you're in a hurry, this rice cooker adapts to your lifestyle. The extended keep warm and reheat cycles make it easy to prepare meals in advance and still enjoy them fresh. You can even make porridge or sweet rice desserts for breakfast, giving you a versatile appliance that goes far beyond just cooking plain rice. In summary, the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is more than just a rice cooker. It's a smart, versatile, and reliable kitchen tool that makes cooking easy, efficient, and enjoyable. Its Neuro Fuzzy technology, multiple menu settings, keep warm functions, and user-friendly design make it ideal for beginners and experienced cooks alike. If you want perfect rice every time, convenience in the kitchen, and the ability to experiment with new dishes, the NS-ZCC10 is an essential addition to any modern kitchen. With this rice cooker, you can enjoy consistently delicious meals with minimal effort and maximum flavor.